Behind me is the Firefly Cabin of Out of Bounds Retreats here in Banner Elk, North Carolina. And it's peak fall foliage season. It's gorgeous here. Let's check it out. We are here in the last week of October and the leaves are perfect. They've all changed into the bright yellows and oranges and reds, and it is breathtaking up here. We are only about 15 minutes from downtown Banner Elk and downtown Boone. So it's really the perfect location to be able to have lots to do here in the mountains, both with great places to eat and adventures like Grandfather Mountain State Park with the Mile High Bridge and the Profile Trail, which we did just a couple of years ago. So if you want to see that hike, it's one of our favorites. You can go check that video out too. But it's truly a perfect getaway for anybody that wants to get out into the mountains and enjoy some time out here.
This Firefly Cabin is beautiful with the black exterior and contrasting wood color. Plus, we love the shape of it. It's just very inviting when you get here. We'll start with the lower covered deck portion that has a hot tub, seating area, and swing. The perfect place to hang out day or night. And then you go up the stairs to the main Airbnb, and they've got a little seating area outside and wraparound porch, and it is so serene, just tucked away in these gorgeous trees.
And then one of my favorite parts is going right off the porch. There's this stone staircase that leads you up to your fire pit. And just looking up the mountain, there are these massive boulders that make for just a beautiful landscape around the cabin itself. There's also some string lights outside and then a little hammock in between the trees. So let's go check out the inside of the cabin.
When you walk inside, it opens up to this cozy living room and dining space area with a faux fireplace. This couch looks out over the windows that extend all the way up, letting in all the natural light, and you have a view of the trees outside. Off to the left, we have the kitchen with a little microwave and convection oven. And the great thing about the host is they leave plenty of goodies here for you, including s'more supplies, a Polaroid camera, coffee supplies. They've really decked you out here. Plus, they've got great decorations on the floating shelves. It's just the perfect little spot with a window backsplash. So I love the kitchenette. Continuing on, you have a full bath with beautiful finishes, and then the master bedroom with a king bed, more windows to see the surrounding nature, and direct access to the outside deck. And the door actually has a window in it, and if you sit up in bed in the morning, you can actually see the mountains through the trees. So it's just the perfect spot.
And then upstairs is probably the coziest part of this cabin. You've got a nice living space with a TV, and then the couch is a pull-out, so you can host more guests here than just two. And then there's this beautiful little reading nook. It actually juts out from the cabin, so you are literally suspended in the air when you're sitting in it. And then the bookshelves have plenty of books to sit down, read a book, and just enjoy some relaxing time. Question of the video, because we want to get to know our viewers more. What are some fall traditions that you have? For example, I love getting out and building a fire, sitting around it, camping too. And then Nikki
loves pumpkin picking and apple cider, so all of the fall things.
Make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below your answer to the question. We are headed to downtown Banner Elk to eat at a steakhouse called Stonewall's.
Looks delicious.
Let's go.
You ready?
Ready.
So we are back from dinner and we ended up not filming it as much because we met a wonderful couple, John and Shannon, while we were waiting for our table, and struck up such great conversation that we all decided to just have dinner together and get to know each other, and it was unexpected and just so much fun. We had some delicious food, including a couple of steaks and a wonderful conversation. So we only have a couple clips of our food and the downtown area that it was in that was really cute, but it ended up being such a spontaneous and wonderful night.
I think that that's a really good thing, is to really step outside your comfort zone, meet other people, make connections, and it was just a really good time. Shannon and John, if you're watching this, thank you so much for having dinner with us and buying our dinner. That was very sweet of you. So yes, now we're gonna play a game and probably head to bed after.
Yes.
Ooh, cool feature. Now we can play cards up here. And there's plenty of space.
I know.
Perfect.
Sometimes we have tiny ottomans we're playing on, but not today. All right, I got 85.
150.
That's a
Gotcha.
lot.
She has beaten me the last couple of times, so
That's true.
I'm back on top, baby.
Yeah.
All right, time for bed.
Okay. From the most perfect reading nook. It has been wonderful to wake up in this peaceful cabin with the crisp fall morning outside and warm coffee. I love it.
If you want to book a stay here at the Firefly Cabin, we will leave a link in the description below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and comment your answer to the question of the video.